Hi guys, this is the first in two videos about media. The first is going to be about media into post and the second is going to be about the media library and what you can do with your images. So for this one, what we want to do, we'll go back to our test post here, and I want to add an image into here. What I'm going to do is, I can leave the cursor as I'm going to space down when I'm going to put the image in here. I'm going to click on the add media button. And once again, I apologise for my internet is pretty rubbish. Now we've got the media library, it's not in there, so what I need to do is go to upload files, select the file. That should go straight into the folder I normally grab my images from. It doesn't, which is great, not a problem. I'll go into images and we'll look for, I've used Krista's cover, which I hope he doesn't mind. Put the full title in there. There we go. Rivers of Blood by Krista Forster. Do that. Copy it. Pop it into the alt text. Come down here, and there's a few basic settings you can do here. This thing will behave itself, which obviously it's not going to. Come on. If I click into there, it'll give you some options. I'm going to select none. You can select where you want it to go, but how you select on here depends how it interacts with the text. You can play around with that and have a look for yourself. If you want it to link, what I want it to do, I'm going to put custom URL at the moment, but I'm not going to fit the URL in. And then down the bottom here it gives you size options, and it was quite a small screenshot I did. I'm going to leave it at the original. Normally your image would be a lot bigger than this, but I'm just going to work with this one. It doesn't make a lot of difference. It's the same principles. So there's our image sat there now. That's fine as it stands. What I want to do, and that's this reason I put the link here, I'm going to take this link, cut it out of there. I'm going to click on the image, and when you click on the image you get two boxes. That gets rid of it, so don't hit that one. That one there gives you a dialog box which you can use to fine tune how your image is going to react with the page. So first off, we go through this. You can change the image size by hovering over this, and it gives you a sort of live view. It's small enough in this, so I'm going to leave it at that. If you happen to do an image and bring it down to 17, oh that's too small, come back into here. It gives you the scale to go back up, so don't panic. There's nothing you can't undo. I'm going to leave it, well, in fact I'm going to pop it over to the left, I think. I'm telling it I want it to go left, and that means the text will then run down the side. If I put it to none, the text will run underneath it, as you can see. So I'm going to pop it to the left. Not that there's any text to run with it, just to show you the difference. The title I've still got on my clipboard, so no I haven't. You copy that there. I'm going to put the link in first. So the link is going to be a link to the book. So I'm going to make the image an actual link. So put that into there. I can then copy this and pop that into there. Now if I go to the advanced side, this is very important. First off, if you're going to put a border around it, which is fine, you can do that. I'll give it a 2 pixel border. Tap across the vertical space. Now as soon as you do this, you're going to have to go back right and change a setting on the front, but I'll show you that. So I'm going to put 10 and 10. Give it some space. So you can see now it's spaced it out. It shows you again it's spaced out bottom-wise and sideways with that now. Okay. What you can do then is come down slightly, and you can pop the title back in again, which you've already got in your clipboard still. There we go. Pop that into there. Now the link rel, if you're linking away, this is quite advanced. What you want to pop in there is no follow, and that tells the search engines not to follow it through to Amazon. Amazon have got enough ranking as it is. You don't want to give your ranking away, so just pop no follow in there. Open the link in a new window, and then we'll just pop back here. I want to show you what might have happened. It might not have, because I had it set to none, but we'll see. Well, it's got left, which is what I set it, which is fine, but sometimes you select center or right. When you do that border and do the spacing, it tends to drop that, it messes that up. So you have to come back. It'll look like it's there, but it actually won't be working, so you need to reconfirm. But it didn't do in this case. So then click update, and then you'll find your images there. Doesn't look like anything's changed other than the border. If you had any text running around it, you'd see that as well. So we're going to click on update. Then we click on update and for the page to. Okay, so at this point here, when it actually drops it into place, we're going to have a look at the post. So we'll go and view the post. Here we go. Let's drop the link in, bringing the page up, and there we go. And there's our image sat in there quite nicely. Now what you notice is when you hover over it, if you look in the bottom down here, in this area here, when I hover, it's got the Amazon link, and that will link straight through to the Amazon book sales page on your .com. You can do this with a text link as well, but this post is all about using the image and popping the image and the media into the page. So I'm going to stop at that. So that's how you do it. It's nice and simple. Any questions, ask them on the front of the site. Okay, and I'll speak to you next time.